Hello everyone, now I'm going to give you the demo and introduction of an application named Go Luxury. So basically Go Luxury application is totally based on the tour travel booking, hotel, yacht, vehicle. So you can use these things whenever you are going to travel somewhere. So you can use this application. So as you can see on my screen, there are two apps, Go Luxury Host and Go Luxury, that is the user app. So Go Luxury Host app is basically if I am an organizer or if I am the host, if I have a hotel card, so I can post it from my account. This will reflect at the user end, and user can book that particular car or hotel using the Go Luxury user app. So first of all, I will give you the introduction of Go Luxury Host app. So I will launch it. So here you can see this is my login screen. So first of all, if you want to create an account, so you basically you will click on the sign up. So here you can see this is name, email address, password, phone, and after that if you have to fill all these mandatory details, and you will have to verify the phone number. You will get the OTP, and after that your account will be successfully signed up. But I have already the account, so I will click on login. So here you can see you can also log in via using the email ID and password. If you have forgotten the password, then you can use the reset password option. If you have the account that is already linked with Facebook, then you can use Facebook. If you have already an account linked in with Apple, then you can use via Apple sign in. But right now I am going to use Google login because I have already created my account. Okay, so I am successfully logged in. So first of all, I am going to introduce you the menu panel options. Here you can see home. So this is home, property, vehicle, yard, data listing. So after that, this is inbox where you can chat with one of the user, that is Kabir. Hi, hello. So you can chat with the user. You can also search from here if there are multiple users available here in the list, so you can search by their name. So if there is no Rahul, so that will not show. Okay, so this is reservation. Here you can see upcoming and past reservation. Upcoming reservation is that is about to come, that are already booked. So here you can see you can cancel the reservation if you want to as a host, but I will not cancel the reservation right now. You can also contact the user. Hello. So these are just dummy data, test data, so you can also chat from here. This is past reservation list. You can see this is past details, so you can check out the past details as well from here. Here from bottom tabs you can see I am already on the home screen. This is the listing. Listing is all kind of hotel properties, car, yard that are already being posted from my account. I can see all of them here. I can search as well by the location as well. For example, if I want to search from the location Pune, so I would type here Pune, so you can see Pune, and also I can edit the details. So basically let me introduce you how to add and edit the details. Here you can see location of the property, name of the property, type of the property, and size. So you can also edit all these things from the drop down. Total guest, bedroom, bed of guest, baths, so all these things. Let me clarify one thing. Enable user to book instantly. If I am enabling it, then if one of the users try to book any hotel, then it will be automatically booked it. But if I will turn it off, then user will book the particular hotel, then request will come to me, and I will have to accept that request. Then booking will be completed and user will have to pay. So here next, these are amenities, all kind of facilities that will be provided, on the basis of which I will have to select in my property. So I can add from here as well. I will add the photo for the home screen, and you can add also the multiple photos. So yes, this is just a demo data, so you can add the basic description as well from here. Next, this is the proper rates. So here you can select the date as well. Price, maybe I would change it 25. Weekend price maybe 30. Okay, so if I want to mention another date, then I will click on the plus button, and I can also add from the dates as well. But right now, if I don't want to add it, then I will not. Click on minus. So here you can see I can click next month's schedules, and you can see here please mark unavailable days. So it means I can mark unavailable days on this date. Booking will be not be allowed and user will not be able to book on that this particular date. So I will click on submit. Okay, in the same way I can add vehicles from here, I can add yards from here. So for vehicle I will introduce you shortly. Here you can see vehicle. I will go to edit, car name, model, license, insurance, MSRP. So these are dummy data, you can fill it as per the requirement. And type of vehicle, so I can select it from here as well. Convertible, seats, enable instant booking, amenities, year, color, transmission, everything, month. If you want to one more date, I can add it here from 20. Price would be 69. Okay, so you want to edit, I want to make it available on these days, I can also edit from here and I will submit it. Okay, in the same way I can edit yard, bin, yard name, insurance, upload registration, type of yard. So you can select like yard, jet ski, anything, size, location. So you can select the location from here as well. For example, you want to change the location, I select from here. You can see total guests 12, crew members, so I can edit from here as well, 3, 2, 1, anything. These are the amenities which can be added according to the embedded features and functionalities that are already on the yard. This is the maker, draft, color, pictures, description, price. So here you can see all these details: default price, weekend price, special rate, individual days. You can also add from here as well, and now I'm going to hide it. I want to edit it, submit. So I'm going to explain the whole functionality again. So you can see this is data listing, property, vehicle, yard. How can you can add it by clicking on that particular options. This is listing, you can search it from here as well. So if I want to search for Puri, you can see here Puri. Okay, this is message where you can do the chat with the user, and this is the profile where you can see the basic info details like name, email ID. You can change password, phone number, and you can also upload the profile picture. Now this is notification. So whatever the notifications are related to the booking, that will be visible here. And as I have already told you, the booking that are already done will be the notification as directly that Kabir has successfully booked your property, name and the price. But if the booking is not instant, that is not enabled by the host, then it will have like you have booking request for car supercar by Kabir. So if I'm going to accept it, then booking will be accepted. So now I'm going to introduce you the Go Luxury user app. So I will log in here. Okay, so here this is the home screen. This is the hotel. You can see trending, top rated, same for car and same for yacht. So here view all, whenever you will click on view all, you can see all the details. You can search here, like I want to search for Mumbai, if there would be any available. So there is no result based on Mumbai. If I'm going to search for Pune, here Pune, so you can search from here. And this icon is for sharing, so you can share that particular property to with anyone else if you want to. These are filter. So if I'm going to apply the filter, so I can click here, I will apply. So you can see here filter would be based on the price that is visible. As you can see, that is the icon of the earth. I will click on it and you can see this is the map on which you can see the location of the property. So that is visible like this way. I need to back. In the same way you can click on car as well. So this is car, you can search it. You can click it, you can check availability if you want, because these dates are not allowed by the host, so I can't book on these dates, but I can book on these dates for sure. So I'm going to book it. I will click on book now. I will click on card. If you don't have saved the card, you can click on add new. You can fill the details, you can add the card. So I have already saved my card, so I will click on it. I will pay now. So booking request has been done. My booking has been done. As you can see, the notification I have already got at my host side. I will proceed to home. Again, if I want to book this hotel star, so I will go to check availability. On these date I can't book, so you want to book 4 to 6. I will click on book dates, book now. I have already saved my card, so I will pay from here. In the same way, you can see the notifications are coming. In the same way, if I want to book yacht, I will click on yacht. Here you can see the basic details of the yacht, like jet sky, 180 feet, $700 per 4 hours. So because the yacht booking is allowed for 1 day, so that is the dollar price is per day for 4 hours. You can see guest, cabin crew. You can see also the amenities that are being already embedded in it. After that, you can see the about this yacht basic description, specification, make, draft, color, range. This is the location where this yacht is available. Here you can see more to love. More to love is the similar listing. That kind of yacht would be available here, so that is also visible. Right now it is only one, so it's showing only one. So here you can also click from here. You can click if you want to book on 29 book dates. I will have to select time, so this way 29. You can see all these details, price, fees, total fees, book now. Sorry, this is a network error, so I will click on it. Okay, this is booked successfully. Okay, so here on property you can see the basic details as well, like this is hotel star. There are no reviews because this has not been booked yet. After that, you can see hotel 600 square feet, 4 guests, 5 bedroom, 4 beds, 3.5 bathroom, $28 per night. You can also contact from here, click contact. These are amenities. After that, about this place introduction. These are dummy data, so don't go on the data. Details, guest, bedroom. So you can book according to your requirement and condition, whatever you want. More to love, you can see there are more hotels are available here. So whatever if you any other hotel you can like it, then you can book it in the same way. Here you can see this is the heart icon. This is the favorite icon. So if I'm going to add it, and also you can see in the left side this is share icon, so you can also share from here. So I have added this as favorite, so this will be visible in my favorites. You can see here hotel suite, and these are the already added hotel, yacht and car in my favorites. So if I want to remove any one of it, I will remove it. I will click on it, so this will automatically be removed from here. This is here. This is upcoming reservation. You can contact to host. Hi. You can contact from here. This is a past reservation detail, so you can see the past bookings that has already been done by you. This is a chat list, so you can chat from here. Again, this is the profile of that particular Kabir user. If I want to change my profile picture, I would go here and I can change my profile picture as well. If I want to upload any my profile picture, then I would upload like this one. Okay, so I'm going to introduce again about the application. So here you can see the notification at top right corner. You can see you have booked the art successfully, congrats. You have one of the notification. You can see luxury go. You can see here the host has accepted your request, please pay $101 and complete your booking. So this is not instant booking. The host has accepted my request, so to complete the booking I will have to do the payment. So I will click on the notification, I will click on my card, and booking has been done, and you can see the notification as well. So in this way both applications work. Hope you would liked it. So in menu panel you can again see all these options: home, inbox, reservation, favorites, profile, settings, sign out. So this is the also you can search from here. If I want to search only for Prakhar, so I can search Prakhar. If I want to search for luxury go, so I want to go. So here you can see. So this is the basic functionality of this Go Luxury application that I have already introduced to you. You may have liked it. Okay. So one last thing I will introduce you about this application. You can also search from here. For example, if you want to search Mumbai, there is no data found because there is no any car available from Mumbai. So if I am going to search for Nagpur, I am going to increase the filters. Both. There is no data found. Okay, once again. I'm going to search for Chennai. You can see here hotels from Chennai are here, so you can also book from here. Okay, so this will work in the same way for the cars and yacht as well. You can click on the car, or you can directly search for the car, and you will go to the filter, and again you can search for the yacht as well. You have to follow the same booking flow for all these: hotel, car, or yacht. So now I'm going to log out. So hopefully you guys have liked this video. So thanks for watching.